What's up guys, my name is Elson. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an angle kit install on my Z. Well, not an install because this is just an unboxing video. And I have the kit right here. So like I said, this will be the unboxing video and I'll do a separate install and review video once I actually have it on the car. If you haven't heard about FDF Fab yet, they make really good stuff for Z's and S chassis and everything. So if you want, you can go on their website, check everything out. It's really good quality and the price is really good. And on top of that, I reached out to Josiah. He's the owner of the shop. I told him I'd be making a install video for his angle kit, and it was kind enough to provide me with a discount code that I can pass on to you guys. So the code will be right here or right here that you can use. It'll be a free shipping code. Like in my case, I'm from California and the company is almost in the east coast of Canada, and it saved me a lot of money on shipping. So be sure to use that code to get a bit of price discount on it, or sorry, shipping discount. So we'll jump right into the unboxing. There he goes. It is a really heavy box though. I'm actually really surprised at how small the box is. Thought it'd be like a really big box coming in. I don't know what I'm going to be pulling out first. Okay. So this, my guess, is going to be... so this is a offset tie rod spacer. There's two of them. Cut that real fast. Okay, so these are the offset rack spacers. Really good quality. Oh my god, look at that. So that is really good quality. So that's for one side. Put that right there. So this is the main knuckle. I'm not going to touch that yet. And these are the outer tie rod ends. Actually, no, they might not be the outer tie rod ends. I'm not sure what they are, but I think I know what they are. These are going to be the replacement for the rear control arm bushings. And this is for one of the control arms. I'm not sure what it is exactly for. Everything just seems like super high quality, really smooth. Look at that. And these are the Ackerman adjuster plates. So these are the, oh my god, look at the shine on them. Yeah, these are the Ackerman adjuster plates. So most people just run 0 Ackerman right off the bat. I'm probably gonna run like +2 or something, just because I don't do a lot of high-speed drifting. So this, my guess is gonna be the tie rod, the inner tie rod. And I am right. I actually really like that. I saw a couple pictures of it. So yeah, I think that's aluminum, I'm not sure, but that's really good quality. He made that little notch in there, so that's a breaking point. You don't want everything to be strong. If your car takes a hit, you want stuff to break. That way your car doesn't get damaged. Okay, this is going to be the replacement for the stock tension rod. Oh wow, look at the welds on that. That's crazy. That is really good welding right there. Okay, that's not too much of an issue. Oh, this is the upper control arm. Okay, so that's one of the upper control arms. This is the other control arm. So I'm pretty sure they're the same from left to right. This is the other rear lower control arm. So if you guys don't know, on these, the knuckle has 2 rear control arms. So what this kit does, it converts everything to, it's still technically 2 rear control arms, but it has only a single pickup point on the knuckle, which is what's going to allow for that angle. Because you can move the tie rod and pickup point a lot closer to the main ball joint pickup. That's why Z angle kits tend to be so expensive, because you can't just cut the knuckles like you can on most cars. Because first of all, it's aluminum, and second of all, there's just no space to cut it. Okay, so this is the other tension rod slash control arm. Back there. Yeah, one more thing. Ah, okay, these are all the bolts, all the hardware. I'm not going to take that out of the plastic. Okay, not sure where these are supposed to go. So this is for the inner tie rod that will bolt up to the steering rack. Not too sure about these. I gotta figure out where these will go. Okay, so yes, he sent me a sticker. All right, cool. I'm gonna throw this on my car too. I'm not gonna lose that. All right, so that's everything out of the box. Hopefully, that's actually a really small box. I expected a huge box. This is the knuckle.
Just going to the other side.
This is flow beats on the track.
No, I already scratched it up with the razor blade. That's whatever. It's already got some of the Ackerman plates installed. I don't know what side or which degree Ackerman plate it's got installed right now. I might have to message Josiah and ask him which one's which. Okay, so that's the main knuckle right here. So as you can see, it's only got two pickups, one for the tie rod, one for the main control arm. So unlike the stock ones, which has three, that's the main difference. And this is their newest design. It's got a V at the bottom, whereas the previous ones were square. I think it looks a lot nicer. Yeah, this is one of the first new designs that he made, and I ended up getting it. And I really love the CNC machining on this. It's really nice. The welds are really good too. So it looks really strong and sturdy. It's actually pretty light, which is really nice also. I'm pretty sure he uses aluminum in parts of this. Yeah. Alright guys, so why did I choose FDF Fab as opposed to like any other brands like Wise Fab or the more common PBM? I really don't mean to knock on these other brands. Wise Fab makes really good angle kits. I've driven a car with the Wise Fab, and I have the video on my channel if you guys want to check it out. And I have not driven a car with the PBM angle kit, but the main reason why I didn't go with PBM is because they have an issue where their caster arm breaks all the time, and I just didn't want to deal with that. That's not only me saying. TJ Hunt had the same problem with his Z when he used to run PBM. And I've had a buddy who had a PBM angle kit who was drifting in front of me, and I was tandeming and I almost crashed into him because his caster arm broke right in front of me. And I'll insert that video clip like right here somewhere. And then, like I said, there's nothing wrong with the Wise Fab apart from one thing, and the Wise Fab doesn't have a pickup point for two things wrong with the Wise Fab in my opinion. It doesn't have a pickup point for a sway bar, so on Wise Fab angle kits you can't run sway bar, which I think is pretty stupid for an expensive kit like that. You should be able to run sway bar, and that brings me to my second point. It is very expensive. My buddy Chris, or at Turn and Burn, he paid almost $2,500 for a Wise Fab kit. But so yeah, that's my original plan, was to go with the Wise Fab. I started saving up for it and everything already, until that same guy who has the Wise Fab 350Z told me about FDF Fab. And then yeah, I looked him up. I really like what I saw. At first I was going to buy his normal Mantis kit, which does not include the upper control arms or the knuckles. It's just a basic kit to get you a little bit more angle and correct the Ackerman. It's similar to a PBM angle kit, except I really like the build quality on it, and I think the price is a little bit cheaper too. And but as soon as when I was ready to buy that angle kit, I saw that he came out with the Mega Mantis kit, and I just jumped right on board with that. And yeah, so everything went from there. And I told him I'd be making a video, and he made me a discount code and everything for that. So props to him for that. And yeah.